Everyone wants to be successful on YouTube. But what is success on YouTube? That's what we talk about today. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. I want to be successful on YouTube. I want to make millions. I just want to be YouTube famous and a YouTube success story. I want to be on the news. I want to do this. I want to do that. I just want me. I'm so fed up with the blind enthusiasm and ignorance of some people that start YouTube channels. Yeah, this is going to be one of my rants. You know, one of those pet peeves that drills into the back of my head, right? Because I'm just so over so many people just aiming for that money, for that fame, for that success, and forgetting that you don't have to be billionaires or PewDiePie, right? Or Logan Paul and an idiot to be successful on YouTube. Now, before I deep dive into my brain, I want to know, what do you count as successful? In life, on YouTube, in general. What YouTubers do you look at and say they're doing well for themselves? How many subscribers do they have? Is success the amount of subscribers they have? Is success the amount of views they have? Is success the amount of influence they have? Is the success about the money and only the money? Or do you see how they help people as a success? Do you see how they influence thoughts as a thought leader, a success? Please leave a comment down below. For many years on YouTube, success was all about the next viral video. Was it Charlie Bit My Finger? Was it the weird fat dude doing the Star Wars lightsaber thingy? Is it Psy and his Gangnam Style? Is it Desperanto or Desperado or Despacho or whatever it was last year? For so long, it was about the numbers. Nobody actually cared if Charlie Bit My Finger had subscribers. Nobody actually cared if Chris Crocker, who asked you to leave Britney Spears alone, nobody cared if he had subscribers. They just wanted to see him have that mental breakdown and watch those views. Somewhere along the line, it changed a little bit, right? And Ray William Johnson had 10 million subscribers and 13 and 15 million subscribers. He was the biggest there, and everyone's now focusing on that landmark and that milestone. That, yes, he was getting millions of views, but you kind of forget that his views existed. He was just focusing on the fact that he was the biggest YouTuber on the platform. Then you had Smosh overtake him, and now you have PewDiePie, and now success on YouTube for the uneducated brain is millions of subscribers. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, or in case of PewDiePie, 62, 63, 64 million subscribers. Then, within the last 2 or 3 years, it's now all about and only about the money and the power. And you look at Logan Paul and Jake Paul, and they've come over from Vine, and they've come over from Disney, right? And it's all about the money, right? And only the money, the sponsorships, the selling things, right? I get that. Traditional success is all about how much influence and how much money that makes you. But I want you to look into a different way, right? Roberto Blake has 300,000 subscribers and makes major money. But he also is a thought leader. He can guide you in directions. He can make you think. He can open your brain. I've mentioned about Roberto Blake's ability to make money smart in a video here, right? It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-smart scheme. But you don't have to be on YouTube to make money to be a success. Philip Defranco is the most centralized newscaster that you can find on the platform. He's successful because of his business acumen. He doesn't talk about Logan Paul as an entity. He talks about the platform. He talks about Libya and Syria and the war and government and Trump. YouTube's most influential newscaster, independently from everybody else, is Philip Defranco. That's success. The Vlogbrothers started talking to each other 5, 6, 10 years ago, right? They was just updating each other on a diary. Roll forward to today, Hank Green and John Green are some of the most powerful creators on the platform. They may not be a Logan Paul, they may not be outrageous, but every YouTuber knows of VidCon, which means you know of Hank Green. John, his brother, is a best-selling author. I believe multiple-time best-selling author. He's also now sold his TV series to Hulu, right? For Looking for Alaska. He's got 2 films, Paper Towns and The Fault in Our Stars. That's also success. But I also look at things like the success of SciShow, the success of Crash Course. They were so successful that they wanted to educate people. They've created content that makes you learn and likes just growing your brain. Success on YouTube should not be limited to money and fame and ignorance, Logan Paul. Success on YouTube is what you should be able to grow out of it. It is a success if you can use YouTube to get leads for your business. It is a success if you can use YouTube to make you feel better about your depression. It is a success if you can talk about your disability and help other people with that disability. It is a success if you can use YouTube to raise money for charity. It is a success if you can educate people on something that they never knew. It could be a temple in the arse end of nowhere. It could be Aztec gold. It could be Spanish history, English history. It could be the art of science. It could be the inside of your working mind. It could be music. It could be anything. You should not define success on YouTube by your numbers. You should not pin it to your subscribers. Success on YouTube is what you can make out of it or what you can take from it. You shouldn't be focusing too much on the numbers. There's a video up here on that. Because if you focus too much on the numbers, it becomes your self-worth. And what's Logan Paul without his 15 million subscribers? Other than an idiot that has no moral compass, that goes walking in woods. So you need to decide why you are on YouTube and what your success is. And if it's money and fame, that's fine. Just, don't be as shallow as the Paul brothers. But that's my opinion on success on YouTube. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make your channel better, there's a PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live or upload a video immediately. Go out there, start creating.